Creativity during pregnancy, birth and new parenthood is particularly important because you're going through so many changes. I was finding that there was a huge number of women who had what we might describe as mild to moderate mental health issues, and we put this idea together of journaling. We set up a pilot group and basically it's grown from there. A maternal journal workshop is really like a women's circle. It's bringing people together who have a shared experience of pregnancy, birth and parenting. And it's doing an activity together. So we have these wonderful journaling guides that have been created by our community of writers, poets, artists, birth workers. So we follow one of our guides together. And then we also invite everybody to then share what they've done.
I've been involved with Maternal Journal for about 6 years now, and I run a variety of workshops, both online and in person. I think people want to take part in Maternal Journal because it isn't really like anything else, and I think it taps into some of the kind of deeper feelings around parenting that people don't often share.
So we have run maternal journal projects all over the West Yorkshire district. So we've been running a project with the Art House.
There was an increase in referrals to the perinatal mental health team in Wakefield during the COVID pandemic. So we really wanted to try and reach more of them and give them that support network, as well as offering some kind of way of expressing what they were going through, which is a huge change in anybody's life.
One thing that Maternal Journal does is creates a safe environment for people to be able to release emotions and talk about how they're feeling.
When you're experiencing times that are really tricky, you can feel quite alone with that and quite isolated with that.
They learn from other people's experiences that might be different from them, and through that a community is created in the group.
So everybody runs Maternal Journal in their own way. For me, I really like to start with relaxation and meditation or some guided processes, and then we would start with a prompt and take it step by step, and that's a really great way for women who were maybe not so confident with their creativity.
Throughout all of our guides we have a good spread of different types of activities so that we help people to find the way of being creative that suits them. We've just created our podcast series, which was conversations with 11 writers.
Motherhood made me into a second-class citizen in some ways.
I keep loads of diaries now. I always have one in my handbag or rucksack. I love having them. It's a really safe space for me to work through feelings and thoughts.
We are allowed to air our grievances. We are allowed to express our distress and pain.
I'm really passionate about Maternal Journal. I really see it make a difference in people's lives, and I really would like to see it grow and be something that is offered to all women going through the perinatal period in their lives.
The next steps for me and my work with Maternal Journal will be adapting Maternal Journal to work with parents who have experienced birth trauma. I would always say, get involved with Maternal Journal if you have the opportunity. We run around looking after other people, thinking about other people. It gives us that opportunity to step back and think about ourselves.